it's Oswin, and I found a stapler gun thingy, and I'm like really obsessed with stapler guns and all sorts of tools. So I'm thinking about maybe like stabbing something with it. I can't let them know. I have to be quiet. Okay. I'm worried it's gonna be really loud. Okay. So I know. I'm a chicken. Probably hold it out here. That's better. Sorry, how to get to your. Oh, that's disgusting. I'll probably edit that out. You know what? That shouldn't be edited out. That's pure footage right there. Okay. That was loud. Okay, my phone's like on 3%. I gotta go. Okay, I'll post these later. Please subscribe, and I'm gonna get it out there, get these videos out there. Like I said in the last video, or the last video, I'm probably gonna get a Twitter, Facebook, Instagram account for Oswin promoting me, and you know, hopefully that'll work. So, bye. Oh, and also I'm still trying to think of a ending line, like
Oh, Guy! I've been boot in a boot!
Do you hear it? Anyway, so, I don't know, like, peace out. No. Holla, no.
Oh, Guy! I've been boot in a boot!
Someone needs to quit texting me. Okay, so, I'll see. Think about it. Bye!